everyone, if you are looking to create fast and high impact ads using AI, so this video is for you. So today I am showing you how to build a complete ad for Red Bull using Growtake AI, which is quick, simple and beginner friendly. So let's get started. First, you have to create your Growtake account and log in, and once you are in, go to the brand section right here. Just select your platform. You can see here is lots of platform available. Just hit connect and you are all set. So next, open the brand info and paste your website link. As we are creating ad for Red Bull, so we are paste Red Bull's website. And next you have to hit get data from website. So Growtake AI instantly picks up all the key brand details like product info, visuals, features, like industry name, primary color. I can change also this one like blue. Okay, you can edit anything manually. So you can also choose your campaign goal. I choose this two option and add your website contact details. Now head to brand voice. So you can see here is already brand voice generated, which is bold, energetic and sharp. So let's move to the product and service. You can add your product manually or use the website link here. So Growtake AI pull all Red Bull product details automatically, and also you can see here is already products are available. So now let's open the advertise tab. So for example, I am choosing Meta, but the steps are almost the same for every platform. So we now follow three steps, simple steps. So at first we have to set our goals like you traffic, sales, conversion, leads. Right here, traffic. I choose the traffic. Next, I have to choose my product, Red Bull Energy Drink. So I choose this one. So third step is add raw asset. So you can upload the image here in library section, and also you can paste the website link and just hit the search button. So Growtake AI pull images directly from your website, and also there is another feature called Photoshop. So just upload few visuals or of images and short prompt and hit the generate button. So AI generate fresh creative for you. So I show you. You can see. Okay, now we choose our asset like this one. Once our assets are ready, just hit the generate. So under in a few minutes, you get a full ad copy, primary text, headline, creatives, everything ready for use. You can see our ad creatives are ready. Yeah, and the primary text, headline, and the targeting section, and the budget. You can select here if you have any confusion. You can use this feature. So finally, our ad campaign is ready in just a few minutes. So just click launch campaign and the ad is live. So that's it. Super fast and super easy. So Growtake AI makes ad creation effortless. And if you want to try it out, check in the pinned comment for our current offers. Thank you for watching.